Hey friends, welcome back to another video. Assembling a robotic car isn't rocket science, everyone can do it. For this, you will need a flat and a star screwdriver. Then we also need some 3mm screws. They come in different lengths, so pick the one that works for you. You will also need 68mm wheels. They are good quality, hence they will give you good speed and good torque. Then you will need lithium polymer batteries, aka LiPo batteries. Ours are 3.7 volts, rated 10C. That means they can take high current unlike other batteries. And for the batteries, you will need a battery holder. We will also be using a connecting wire to connect the sensor to the Arduino board, and some nuts to fasten our screws, some spacers to mount our Arduino board, and the line following sensor onto the alluco board. Then this is the Arduino board that we will be using. It is the Motor Plus Key Studio Arduino board, which is special and has an embedded motor driver on board. The motor driver is based off TB6612 IC. Then we need a sensor. For us, we'll be using the line following sensor. There are other examples of other sensors like the ultrasonic sensor. All these serve a different purpose. Then we have a BLE module, that is Bluetooth Low Energy. This allows us to control the car by use of a smartphone. Then we will also be using TT yellow motors, which are 4. They provide high torque and speed. To hold the motors in place, we have our 3D printed motor holders. Our motor holders are 3D printed custom pieces that we made ourselves. This is to make them better suited for their functions. They are very easy to use. Just place the motor in the space between the holder and use screws to fasten it in place. The screws go all the way through to make sure it is steady. Then for our chassis, we'll be using an alluco board, aka aluminium composite, which is metallic, hence very firm. And for ours, we have already pre-drilled the holes. So let's get started. Start by putting the motor holders in place, and you're ready for the next step. We then put our motors in the motor holders, and here take an observation on the direction we are placing the motors. As you can see, the motors are not facing each other. They are facing away from each other. That is a very important thing to follow so that your car can move forward. The motors are used to power our wheels, and to ensure that our motors are in place, we put them in place with our screws and our nuts. Now our board is ready, and note we have 4 wires. These wires are each connected to each motor. Our Arduino board has only 2 ports to connect the wires connecting to the motors. The motor driver is connected to pin 4567 of the Arduino board, and it is meant to drive 2 independent motors. Hence, we have to find a way to transform these 4 wires into 2 wires. And for that reason, as you can see on the screen, we connected 2 wires of one side of the motors to a custom-made wire that has 1 exit. I hope you got that. So next, we mounted our Arduino board onto the alluco board. It is necessary that you put the spacers in between the alluco board and the Arduino board. This prevents our Arduino board from getting spoiled. Now, the wires connected to our motors, they are then fixed onto the Arduino board. This is where I was saying that we have only 2 ports for the wires. So the next thing that we did is to mount our battery holder onto the alluco board. And then we also mounted our switch that is connected to the Arduino board and the battery holder onto the alluco board. This will turn the car on and off. On the bottom part of the car, we mounted our line following sensor. We then fixed our wheels onto our car because is it really a car without wheels? Each wheel is connected to its own motor. Lastly, we connected our Arduino board to the line following sensor. The connecting wire that we used has 5 wires. They are all female to female, 3 connecting to the right, left and center, that is for direction, and 2 connecting to power. You can see that on your screens. Our car needs energy to move, so we used our lithium polymer batteries. We put them in place and we covered them. And our car is ready. Before the car can move, the Arduino board is first programmed. The codes used to program the Arduino board are open source, so you can find them on the website. For our learners, we can teach you how to code for this. Go to the description box, click the link to our website and go to the Academy section on our website. Then enroll to our classes, which also comes with our videos. In our videos, we will teach you how to code for these car movements. And every component that we have used are available for purchase. Again, go to our website, pick what you need, and it will be delivered to you tomorrow. Was this fun? Let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video next time. Bye!